to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Thursday, January 16th, 2025.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey Pythons, welcome back to Python TV. Happy early release day.
And there's no school tomorrow or Monday.
Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and we'll see you next Tuesday.
Go Python!